The Dahua Full Color 2.0 cameras can capture vivid color images even when the supplementary white light is off. It is based on the imaging process of the human eye. Its dual light fusion technology presents a cutting-edge dual sensor structure. The darker color detail is overlaid on the IR image with high brightness. Through 6-degree of freedom adjustment, the Dahua AA active alignment technology keeps the optical axis center of the lens and the optical axis center of the CMOS overlapped, allowing it to output the clearest images and realize effective utilization of high pixels. The Dahua Full Color 2.0 cameras offer brighter images. It utilizes larger area of the light sensing component. It uses 1/1.2-inch large image sensor instead of the common sensor of 8 megapixel cameras, enlarging a single pixel's area by 110%. Image brightness increased by 42%. Equipped with max aperture of f1, the Dahua Full Color 2.0 Vari-focal camera collects 2.5 times amount of light compared with f1.6 aperture. Focal length 2.7 mm to 12 mm, approximately 5 times optical zoom. The Dahua Full Color 2.0 cameras allow quick search of targets based on color details. Full Color camera captures 24/7 vivid color information, even in low light conditions. It effectively extracts the color features of the scene, be it human, vehicle, or details. Backtracking through NVR using target's color details is supported.